Hi, this is Rafael Colantonio. I'm the president of Arkane Studios and creative director on Prey.
Hey everybody, this is Ricardo Baer. I am the lead designer on Prey.
At Arkane, we love games that blend simulation and narration, like Dishonored. We do games you can play the way you want. Prey is another one of those games.
Welcome to Talos 1. Because of the open-ended structure of the game, the player can go pretty much anywhere they want on the station, but right now our mission is to find a scientist named Dr. Calvino.
Some of our aliens turn into things as a means of camouflage.
Attention, station leadership has issued an alert. All personnel should report to muster stations immediately and await further instructions.
Lots of ways to solve problems on Talos 1. Weapons are one of them, but weapons are rare.
Okay, so this is one of the most important items in the game. It's called the Neuro Mod, and this is how the player upgrade himself. So here is the RPG layer of the game. You could see there's map, status, inventory, and these are the list of this is the list of abilities that we have. So some of them are human, some of them are aliens,
Which you learn by stabbing a needle into your eye. This is the glue cannon, a tool that has a lot of different uses.
This is an alien power called super thermal. We recently acquired it using the Neuro Mod.
Okay, so we're going to use the roster system in order to try and track Calvino down, but the door is locked. So we're going to take this opportunity to demonstrate one of our unique alien abilities called Mimic.
So in the game you can actually learn your powers from the aliens, so it's only fair that you too can turn into a cup.
The roster system helps players locate anyone aboard Talos 1.
The glue cannon can also be used for traversal.
That was a Phantom, one of the other kinds of aliens aboard the station.
And this is a third way to use the glue cannon. So this item is called a recycler charge. In the game you can recycle pretty much anything, either to here declutter an area or to use as a weapon. Now the recycle elements that come out of it are actually ingredients for a fabrication system that we'll show in a moment.
Aliens aren't the only threat aboard Talos 1.
Mimic can be used also for stealth.
Inventive players will be able to chain powers together. So right now this player needs to get up onto that elevated platform, so they're going to combine Mimic with Kinetic Blast.
Disassemble you in pure suit integrity.
Okay, so this is the fabrication system. So here are the ingredients I was talking about earlier, and this is the fabricator. So as long as you have fabrication plans, you can create any object that is in the game. Here we're creating an object to fly in 0G.
Microgravity detected.
Talos 1 is a massive space station, so here we've modeled the entire exterior, which the player can use to chart their course between missions or just for exploration.
You found him. Not surprising. Well done.
Alright, we've located our missing crew member. Let's head back in.
Okay, now we're going to see another ability that you can upgrade called Leverage Level 3, which allows you to pick up huge objects and use them as a weapon or just to clear a path.
But players will have to be careful sometimes installing alien Neuro Mods, because on occasion it will attract the attention of other aliens.
And this is called a nightmare, for a reason.
And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Prey comes out spring 2017 on PC, Xbox One, and PlayStation 4. Bye.